What's up guys, it's Tech Khalifa reviewing a very special phone, Vivo 1820. What's so special about this company is that they are the first companies, or they are one of the first companies to bring new features to phone before any other companies pick up with it. So special in such a way that combining two OS, a sub OS known as the Phone Touch OS and the principal OS known as the Android. And that's why you find some useful pre-installed Vivo and non-Vivo apps on this phone. It has 2GB RAM and 32GB ROM. It's ocean blue color, dual SIM, rear camera with 13 megapixels, and the front camera is 5 megapixels. For 4030, that is 4030 mAh battery, the Li-ion battery, 6.22-inch screen display with a strong 4G connection supported. It works based on Android 8.1 Oreo and also Phone Touch 4.5 and 2.5D curved glass screen. So it has two OS, the Android Oreo 8.1 and the Phone Touch 4.5, and it also has 2.5D curved glass screen. The USB ports, the headphone jack, the speaker holes are located under the phone. It has a single front camera and of 5 megapixels and a back camera of 30 megapixels with flash. You can scroll up to find the tools bar. Even the flashlight and the calculator have been fixed into the control center. Now the camera test. Here it has 4 camera mode and a video mode. So they take photo mode, the face beauty, the DOC, and the professional. So see the video mode I'm using now, you can see that I'm recording this. The one I'm using on the Vivo is actually more beautiful and crisp on the Vivo phone than the phone camera I'm using actually now. And as you can see, the photo mode, which is the take photo mode, it is very crisp and lightened and also beautiful. The professional mode is filled with many customization tools. And finally, the DOC mode. This DOC mode, can automatically crop any picture immediately after snapping it. So it's like this. Now, testing other features. It has many functional, useful inbuilt apps. The V App Store function like the Google Play Store. It has its own apps and it's owned by Vivo. The Google Play Store is also in this phone because indirectly the phone is also connected to Android OS, despite the fact it's working based on Phone Touch OS. It has an inbuilt theme app. You can, get popular themes for your phone through there. You don't need any other app to get any themes again. So it also has the kids mode. This is an, anti-addiction app to protect the way your kid can handle the phone. So set a limit usage time and check the total usage time for your kids. That's cool. But it can also drain your battery sometimes. So after sometimes they'll have to turn it off. Number 5, the Google News. This Google News is here for you to get trusted and verified news from Google all over the world. And theft app. This can actually protect your phone and data by creating personal password. So if you create a personal password on this, then your phone is protected. Number 7, Vivo Assistant. It is for you to actually manage your phone, like the USB, the Wi-Fi, and the FTP connection respectively. The lock. This lock is a quick action app that functions as to lock your phone immediately you click it. So it can turn off the screen and the phone will get locked. Then once you scroll up, the phone will get unlocked. So most of these applications you're seeing here, all of them are inbuilt application, and you can see the iManager and the Vivo Cloud for you to store your files online. And if you go to the settings, as you can see, the OTG connection. When you turn on the OTG connection on this phone, it can make it to be connected to a USB drive. And it can also, the most interesting part of this is that you can also charge any other phone or device using your Vivo phone. So once you connect them, you can charge another device using your Vivo phone once this OTG connection is on. So that's weird. But this very OTG connection will be turned off automatically after 5 minutes if you did not use it. Number 10, the smart face beauty. Once you turn on this, the Vivo technology will analyze your screen type, the skin tone, the gender, and your age to apply perfect face beauty when using the selfie on both cameras. So game mode. This game mode, once you enable it, gaming experience will be enhanced. Click on the game. There are more features. The boat mode. This boat mode, is an in an autoplay mode. Games will continue running when the screen is off. Auto reject calls. Once enabled, all incoming calls on that very game will be, like on the allow some calls will be rejected for that specified game. Then the color inversion mode. This will show you something like look like dark mode, but it's not actually dark mode. Just faking it, man. Inverting the color. It has a screen mirroring feature which can be enabled to for you to connect your Vivo phone to a TV specifically over Wi-Fi. You can play video and music on that very TV, and you can see pictures also while your phone remains standby. So your phone will remain normal even though you connect it to that very TV. In this motorbike mode, you can actually, once you enable it, you find at the end of the day that you can reject calls automatically. Maybe you are on your bike, you are in the car, and you don't need any SMS, any message. You can just actually reject all those calls automatically without touching your phone. Yes. So you can auto reject calls here, then you just enable it, and that's that. So you can access the speed before answering. So once you turn on this, it will actually access the speed of your car or your bike before answering the call. And if you allow these repeated calls, once you turn it on, when it is enabled, the second incoming calls from the same caller within 3 minutes will not be rejected if the first is automatically rejected. So that's the way it is. So this phone comes with damn features. This is a great phone indeed. So you can see face and password, and here you can actually add your face and password. You can add your face to unlock it, and that's that. See here, it has 2 gig RAM, 2 gigabyte RAM. As you can see, and the total space is 32 gigabyte ROM. As you can see, available space is 9.07 because I'll be using the phone for some time. So 2.00 gigabyte RAM and 32 gigabyte ROM. So it's a great phone and a fast phone indeed. So it also supports memory card. So and it came with OTG connection, with 4G network, with an input VPN. You can actually add your VPN connection. You can add your network VPN connection to enhance your connectivity. As you can see, there are so many things here. Let's get to the accessibility. It came with an inbuilt antivirus app, so you can just turn it on here, and whenever there is any threat on the website or anything from malicious website or application, they will actually notify you. So let's turn this on, antivirus. Let's get back. As you can see, you can zoom in and zoom out. So if you tap on the screen to zoom, so if you turn it on, it will actually zoom by tapping on the screen. But let's turn it off. The fact about turning this zoom mode on is that whenever you turn it on, your phone may have some slower response. So I have to cancel it. Let me turn it off. Yeah, let's go back. So there's a task timer here, and once you can schedule your phone to power on and power off. So you can schedule your phone when to power on and power off. Maybe at 7 o'clock in the morning AM it will power on, and at 8:30 in that very morning it will still power off. Or you can just change the time, and that's the way it works. So you can also add a schedule vibration mode. This phone comes with many features, so you can add like a vibration mode for you to know what you want to do at that very time. So you can add a vibration mode. You can back up and reset your data here using the Vivo iCloud. So as you can see, it's something like smart motion. In here, you can shake your phone to turn on the flashlight in standby mode or in the lock screen. So let's turn it on. Let's go back. Let's make sure we're in the lock screen. Then let's check the phone. On. Yes. So the torchlight is on. So it's a damn feature. It's a very good feature. So if you want it, you can just turn it on. If you want to leave it, just turn it off. Then let's get back. So smart reminder will actually remind you, and the smart call is there also. There are so many features, so you can turn it yourself. Smart call, smart answer, smart switch, smart mute. So there are so many ways you can actually do something. Wave to free hands. So here you have to wave your palm over your phone for about 3 centimeters to 5 centimeters to answer a call. Then there's something like smart switch. Smart mute here is that you cover the phone screen, to mute the phone when it's ringing. So when you cover the screen, it will just mute it. And there's something like smart switch. Smart switch here, you can put the phone close to your ear to switch to speaker mode, and your hand to switch to free mode. So if you put it on your ear, it will actually switch to the speaker mode, and in your hand it will switch to the hands free mode. So it will make it louder. And if you go here, smart answer. So smart answer, you can pick up your phone and hold it close to your ear and answer an incoming call. So you can see all these features. They are not like available in some Android phones or in some iPhone. As you can see, these are major features in this very phone. So actually, this very Vivo phone is a great phone. As you can see, smart call. You can call a contact by putting the phone close to your ear on the contact details and the message thread or the call details interface. So if you go to your call details interface, you can actually bring the number there, then you put on your ear at the end of the day to call the person automatically. So you can see this phone is the damn phone, man. So there are so many operations here. Slide upward to unlock. There's so many things you can do with this phone. There's something like air unlock. This air unlock, when there is no lock password and the screen is lit, you can unlock the screen by waving palm of choose on the top of the phone 3 to 5 centimeters. So let's test this one. Let's turn on air unlock. You can unlock your phone without touching your phone. So click on OK and unlock. So let's make sure to bring it to the lock screen. So let's unlock it. So I've unlocked the phone. So let's try it again. I've unlocked the phone. So let's get back to our settings and continue some operation there. The black screen glance here, when the phone is flat and the screen is black, wave your palm over it, over the phone to view the phone status. So when the screen is blank, as you can see, let's turn on black screen glance. Okay, turn on. Let's get back. Let's make sure the whole phone is blank like this, as you can see. So let's rub over the phone. You can see the status of the phone. So Vivo is actually a great phone. Let's get back. So there's smart call, and you can, once you buy this phone, you can actually know more about the phone. So let's get down to smart click. When the smart click is on, press and hold the volume down button to enable specified function. This is not available during music playback. So turn on flashlight, record audio, open camera. All these are specified function that you can actually hold down the volume down button and the power button to enable all those functions. So let's get back. And if you're actually interested in like watching a video on how to like break all the Google App Store app locks, like all those app lock on Google Play Store, the 4 volt, the 5 volt, I made a video on how to like break all of them without password. So if you forget the password or if you want to like access them without password, I made a video. So go to the description of this video and watch. And that's guys. So if you enjoyed this very video, give it a big thumbs up. For more tech reviews, tech videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Peace.